In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this lightsaber in Adobe Illustrator. So stay tuned in this tutorial, because it will blow your mind. You will miss that it is made in a very simple and easy way. First, I'm gonna show you how to make the blade. After that, gave it a light so it actually became a lightsaber like this. And at the end of this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change the color of this lightsaber in an instant way. Without any further ado, let's jump into Adobe Illustrator. Prepare a document with RGB color mode. Remember, the document you create must be in RGB color mode. Otherwise, if you use the CMYK, then the result will not be the same as what I showed in this tutorial. Create the background first, so we can see the results immediately. Create a rectangle according to the size of the artboard using the rectangle tool. Next, we're going to give it a dark color but not a solid black. Open the color picker panel by double-clicking the fill box on the toolbar. Fill the hex color code with a value of 110,202, which is the darkest red color. Why do I use the darkest red? Because we are going to create a lightsaber with a red glow. If you want to use another color, you just have to change the value of S, or the saturation. Or, in another way, you can move the slider on the color spectrum, until you get the right color. Click OK when finished. Next, we gonna create the blade. Create a rectangle using the rectangle tool. Activate the rectangle tool, and click anywhere inside the artboard area. Give a size of 1000 pixels on the width, and 20 pixels in height. Place it in the center of the artboard using the Align tools. After that, go to the stroke color in the control panel overview. Click the drop-down menu to open the color swatches, and select None color which has a red slash. Click the Fill Color drop-down menu, and choose white. Now, we will turn the corner of this rectangle into a round corner. Activate the Direct Selection tool. And if you see a circle or a dot inside the corner of a circle, then it is a widget which is used to round the corner. Just click, and drag inside the rectangle, until the corners are completely rounded. Once both ends of the blade are round, go to the Object menu. Path. Offset path. Fill the offset with 70 pixels. Click OK. After that, give a solid black color to this larger rounded rectangle. Open the Swatches panel, and click the black color there. Now, we just need to blend these two rounded rectangles using the Blend tool. On the toolbar, activate the Blend tool. After that, click the white rounded rectangle first. Then click the black one. If the blend of these two objects is not smooth, then you can double-click the Blend tool in the toolbar. And change the spacing from smooth color to specified distance, and change it to 1 pixel for smoother blend results. After that, click OK. And the coolest step in this tutorial, on creating a lightsaber, is to make this blade glowing, and this is the magic part. Open the Transparency panel in the Window menu. In the Transparency panel, click the drop-down menu on Blending mode. After that, click Color Dodge. And here it is, the blade of the lightsaber. The last step is we just add the handle. And I have prepared the handles for this tutorial. We just have to put it on the tip of the blade. And now the lightsaber I talked about at the beginning of the tutorial is complete. And now, I'm gonna show you how to change the color of this lightsaber instantly. First, select the background. After that, open the Swatches panel. If you don't have a Swatches panel like what I have here, you can look for it in the Window menu. In the Swatches panel, click the New Swatch button. After the new swatch panel opens, put a checkmark on Global. Its function is that when we change the color from the swatch panel, all objects that have a color that has been set global are also changed without having to touch the object that wants to be changed. When finished giving a checkmark, just click OK. In the Swatches panel, you will see a new color box that is different from the other color boxes. The difference is that it has a fold symbol in the lower right corner. If a color box has this fold symbol, then it is a global color. I'll show you what this global color use for. The way to use this global color is to double-click on it. And that will open the Swatch option panel. And here we can see that global has been ticked. If we check the preview, then when I change the color settings in this panel, the color of the object that has this color will also change automatically. And this is how to change the color of the lightsaber instantly. Which basically you have to make the background color become a global color. And you can change the color back by double-clicking this global color. So, What do you think about this tutorial on how to create a lightsaber in Adobe Illustrator? If this tutorial is useful, please like, share, and press the subscribe button and the notification bell if you are new to this channel. And if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, feel free to ask me in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.